Hello?
Yes, hi, this is Roger William from the Windows Microsoft Support Center. From the refund department, how are you today, sir?
I'm doing good. How are you?
You already paid some money for the computer, right?
Yeah.
Last time?
Yeah, it was a while back. I honestly, I completely forgot. Excuse me. I completely forgot about it.
Forget that, how much money you paid?
I can't remember exactly. I think it was hang on.
Okay, no issue,
I'm sorry. I have
Call
a.
you back and let you.
So what's going on? I get like a refund or something? I'm not I'm not really understanding it.
You're getting a check. You're getting check.
I'm getting a check?
Okay, you're getting check. Yeah, you're getting a check.
That's great. Motherfucker.
Thank you for calling Microsoft. How may I help you?
Hi, I think I just got disconnected. He was telling me about the refund check I'm gonna get here.
Yeah, just be on the computer right now.
Yeah, I'm on my computer, but he was about to tell me like what it was for. Like, am I getting a refund for something I excuse me, something I have a cold. I'm sorry. Something I paid for?
Yes, you had paid for the subscription which you had made it.
How much am I getting?
The $299. Just be on the computer so that I can guide you how you can receive.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Just be on the computer so that I can guide you how you can receive your money.
Can you say it one more time? You need me to do what now?
I'm telling you, if you just be on the computer so that I can guide you how to
I'm so sorry.
your money. I did not get that thing.
Yeah, I think we're having a bad. I think we're having. What did you say?
Okay, just
That one hurt.
you can call once again.
Say again?
Ask for the Roger, he will be available.
I didn't hear what he just said.
Thank you for calling online support.
I was like, I have like such a bad allergy, and I was Googling allergy, and I think I got last second pop-up.
When did you start getting this problem, sir?
You mean allergy?
When did you
Like this morning.
When did you get this warning alert?
Like as soon as like I start googling.
So can you please help me with? Yeah,
Hold for a second.
Go ahead and help me with your first name.
Hold for a second. My name is Vlad. I didn't get
Your last name.
Popovich.
Which computer you are using? Is this a laptop or a desktop?
It's laptop. Before it's gonna start like aggravating, like accumulating in my nose, in my throat. We need to finish this pop-up.
What is the problem?
You cannot hear what the problem I have? My problem is sneezing. I sneeze all day, and I'm trying to Google. I went on Amazon to get antibiotics for my sneezing, and I got a pop.
You already told me that.
Pop. I sneezing so loud and so often. All my computer covers with the boogers, and I don't like that.
Not the way of.
Huh?
You are not coughing, or you
I'm not coughing?
shouting.
No, I'm coughing! It's like, the more I talk to you, the more boogers coming through my...
What do you have right now?
I have like probably like 25 boogers right now. That's what I have. I need... Hold on. Let me clean my touch screen. Hold on. Let me clean my touch screen.
Can you read out for me?
It went away. Oh my god, like, I don't know, it's like this bullshit, like...
Roger William from the Microsoft Windows Support Center.
Roger, hey, you're the first dude. Okay, I was just talking to your pal. I forget his name. I think it was Francis. So I'm just trying to get the refund.
Could you tell me his name?
I can't remember his name. He talked really fast. It was either Francis or Bronson. I don't know.
Okay, it's your computer so we can send you the test.
Yeah, I need to be in front of my computer, you said?
Yes.
Okay, and what do I need to do?
Right now, what do you see on your computer screen?
I see a big picture of a... I mean, I guess it's a camel. It's like a one part of one. Thing is, my brother did his prank where he put like this desktop image on my computer, and I don't know how to change it. So I've been looking at a camel's ass for like the last 5 years.
Very left at the bottom corner on your keyboard. Which key do you see?
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Yes. Very bottom corner.
That was a cough. I don't know what's going on. I think I got bronchitis. You're leaving me at very left. I'm hearing very left, and then I can't hear the rest.
Last time.
Excuse me. That one got it. It was like a loogie. Fuck.
Welcome to Microsoft support team. This is Peter. How may I help you?
Peter, that's what it was. I was talking to Anya, and he asked me what your name was, and then I couldn't remember it for the life of me. I think we could keep getting disconnected, but I'm here now. So what do we got to do here to get this refund going here?
Okay, sir. What can you see on your computer screen? Sorry? Hello?
Hi.
Okay, open your Google though.
Okay, because I hadn't opened any excuse me, any browser tabs yet. Can you say it again?
I'll call it back. I'll call it back for better line. I can't hear, okay?
Yeah, you're breaking up. It's bad. What's going on? Are you in the bathroom?
Yes.
Are you taking a deuce?
Okay,
Just wipe and finish.
Better line. Just hang up this call.
Say
Just hang up this call, sir.
it again.
Yeah, thanks for calling Microsoft. How may I help you?
Hey, I don't know if this is Anya or Peter, but listen, I keep getting disconnected. It's awfully frustrating.
See the Windows button.
I see the... Yeah, I see the Windows button.
What?
Yep.
Type in the www dot.
www...
Dot. www dot.
www...
Dot. anydesk.com.
Anydick.com?
Anydesk. D-E-S-K.
Any
Kangaroo.
any is spelled A.
A as in a.
One more time.
A as in America.
A as an anteater.
N as in Nancy.
Sorry, what did you say?
D as in Delta.
Oh my God, that one did it. That cured me.
S as in Sunday.
S as in Sunday. Sunday like the day of the week or like ice cream?
Yeah, day. S as in Sunday.
Got it. Not the ice cream.
K as in kangaroo. K as in kangaroo.
K as in kangaroo? Okay. Got that.
.com.
Dot what?
.com.
Dot what?
.com.
Excuse me.
.com.
Excuse me. Dot what?
It's
Excuse me. So sorry. www. Anydick.com. Oh no, this can't be the right thing. I just pulled up something very bad. I can't look at this.
What happened?
I don't know. I'm looking at very bad things. Okay, you said www.anydick.com?
That dick in your ass, fucking ass.
Excuse me? What did you say?
Thank you.
Shut up! Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Sorry?
No, nothing to be sorry. I'm sorry. I have an allergy. I got a pop-up on my computer.
What's wrong with you?
Ah! Huh?
What's
Ah, shit! Say it again.
And getting there.
Huh?
What happened? You're shouting to me again and again. What for? You're calling. Let me know. You need help or what? What do you want me to do?
I need to go on Amazon and I want to buy antibiotics.
You have to.
Huh?
150.
Hold on one second. Just hold on one second. Hold on.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes, hi. This is Roger Williams.
Roger Williams.
Microsoft Windows support team.
Yeah, I've
The
been
refund department.
I've been bouncing around on all yeses. I don't know who I'm talking to at this point, but I went to anydick.com, but I'm not supposed to look at this stuff. It's against my lease. So we got to try this one more time. Can you spell it?
Anydick.com.
Anydick.com. I'm here, but I'm looking at a collage of dicks. It's like a mosaic.
Big Dick.
E-dick? Is that like a second? Do I search
What do you
that?
see right now?
Is that like a type of dick?
Yes.
Is it like it's like a
Yes.
like an electro dick, like a dildo, essentially?
Do you see the big dick, my dick?
No, it's a mosaic. It's one of those creative.
Welcome to Microsoft Corporation. How may I help you?
Are you Peter or Anya?
Anya.
Anya. Oh, so you were helping me before. So I went to anydick.com, but there's you can sort it. You know, there's like categories. So I'm not sure which one I need to go to.
You got the number, Anydick number?
Anydick is there's many numbers. There's like I said, there's a mosaic. It's kind of one of those mosaics where there's a bunch of little dick pics, and then the way the colors are schemed makes one giant Godzilla cock.
You got the Anydick number?
Any dick, yeah. Which one? I can go 3-inch, 4-inch, or painful. Let me know which one I need to go to.
Confirm the number. Anydick.
What? Fuck you.
Sure, let me go and see that. Let me go and check it out. From your left hand keyboard, down bottom. There is the win from your left hand keyboard. Down, on the bottom of the keyboard.
I want to be polite guy. I don't want to interrupt you. You know, let me sneeze my throat. Then we go back to pop up.
Down bottom, you will see there is.
Hold your thoughts. Hold on. It's just coming again. Okay, it went away.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Mikey, I'm back, Mikey. Time to time, like a couple times a year, I will get a sneeze attack. You know that movie, Shark Attack? Yeah, I get a sneeze attack.
No, you have to press it down together. The Windows.
It's just coming again.
So you
Welcome back, bitch. Oh, sorry.
I believe you have dialed the wrong number. If you're not going to talk professionally, I have to disconnect this call. Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Vijay. How may I help you?
Hey, Rija. I'm calling this number here on my computer. Something about a virus or something.
Could you please tell me what exactly were you doing when it happened? Were you downloading something? Were you watching a video or something?
I have an Amazon thing, and so I clicked something to restart it.
Okay.
Excuse me. Can you just explain like what this means or what's happening?
Well, seems like there is definitely something which is not right. I mean,
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
something which is not working properly. www.
Excuse me.
Fast, F-A-S-T, fast, support.
So that's F-A-S.
It's F-A-S-T, fast.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Sorry?
One more time.
It's F as in A as in apple. It's FAST, support. Support.
Sorry, hold on. I'm gonna get a tissue. Hang on.
Hello?
I'm sorry. 1 sec. Okay, so it's FAST S
Fast support.
S
I'm sorry?
S. You spell that with S U.
You do not know how to spell sport?
No, I can spell sport. I just don't know how to spell support. SUP is 2 P's.
Yes,
It's 2 P's.
Yes.
And then
What then?
what comes after the P's? I'm asking. Can you just help me spell the damn thing?
You do not know how to spell support?
No, just spell it for me. SUP and then what? I never graduated kindergarten, so I just need help. SUP is 1 P or 2?
3.
No, there's 3 P's. So it's support.
Yes.
Support. Okay.
Yes.
SUPPP. If I type too many PPs, I'm gonna get to a porn site here. Just spell the rest of it, just straight through, real fast.
Spell what?
PP. SUPP and then what? SUPP and then what happens after the PP?
Nothing happens.
After the PP? I know nothing happens to
What
your
do you
PP.
say?
I know to your PP it's eventless. I'm just asking the spelling.
P.
P.
Q comes after B.
Q?
Yeah?
PQ? You're not. I don't know. I'm not confused.
Do it again.
Sorry, one more time. What comes after the PP? Other than regret in your case.
Do it again.
www.fuckyou. Is that it?
www.fuckoff.
Oh, no, I disagree. It's YOU because this brought me perfectly to this page where I'm now looking at a picture of your face. What's your name, asshole?
Your name is Yazoo. Okay.
Wow.
I cannot have it.
Fucking weak.
Hello?
Oh my gosh. Much better. Okay, I got disconnected from...